Create and store your CV on Justthejob.im. To create your Just the Job account, hit the Sign Up button on the top right of the screen and enter your details. Go to My Account and open the CV Builder. Name your CV. This can be changed at any time. Help boxes will pop up throughout to give you some extra help and advice. Next, enter your personal details to make yourself contactable. After each step, click Save and Continue to move on. If you want to stop, click the Save and Exit button. To save your progress in each section, be sure to click the navy box that says Save, followed by the section you're working on. For example, Save Skill and Quality. Type in your best skills and qualities. Keep the role you're applying for in mind and tailor them to it. When filling out your CV, highlight your achievements and what you're most proud of to showcase your strengths and stand out to potential employers. It's your chance to demonstrate the value you can bring to a workplace and make a lasting impression. Next, be sure to enter your education details, including your qualifications, and any relevant courses or training. This helps employers see your knowledge and expertise at a glance. Include your work experience by detailing your job titles, responsibilities, and notable achievements. This information highlights your practical skills and demonstrates your contributions to past employers. Your interests and hobbies show potential employers more about your personality, skills, and passions. Write a brief personal profile that highlights your strengths and career goals, tailored to the job. And you're all set. Your CV is now ready. Don't forget to proofread it. Wasn't that easy? Your CV is securely stored on Justthejob.im, allowing you to access it anytime from anywhere.